So one of the best redemptions I've ever made was the Hôtel du Louvre in Paris. And let's start off with it has an amazing location, literally
Okay.
next door to the Louvre,
Incredible.
within walking distance to a lot of attractions. There's restaurants all around there. There's just a lot. It's a really, really great location. This is a Hyatt hotel. I stayed there. I paid 120,000 points for 4 nights, and the cash cost was $2,300. So I was really happy with that. It
Yeah.
is a category 7, so it's one of the higher ones. So right now, if you book it, it will cost you either 25, 30, or 35,000 points per night. In May, when the award chart expands and Hyatt is going to go to their dynamic, not dynamic pricing, that award category will now go up to 55,000 points per night.
Whew.
So I know if this is on your radar, if you have a Paris trip planned, if you're thinking about it, book it now. You can book at those lower prices. And if for some reason you don't take the trip, you just cancel it. One of the beauties of paying with points is they're easily cancelable. So I said the location is amazing. This was the only meaningful globalist upgrade I ever got. So I was a globalist at the time of this stay. I am not anymore. But they upgraded me before I got there without asking to a junior suite with a view, which I was so
Nice.
excited about. I get to the room and we are on the corner with a little balcony. And it's one of those where you can step out, you can't sit out there, overlooking the Louvre.
Well, that
Like
is incredible.
it was so cool, and I was with my mom, it was her first time in Paris, it was a birthday trip, so it was just spectacular. The room was comfortable, there's a great little restaurant down there on the first floor that has a breakfast. It is a buffet, but then you can order off the menu as well. The food was incredible, the staff was really nice. It was just one of those all-around amazing stays, and that same year, I also stayed at the Park Hyatt in Paris, which was a category 8, so it's a little bit more expensive. Great breakfast, comfortable room, but I really like the Hôtel du Louvre better. Nothing
Wow.
I had nothing against that Park Hyatt, but the Hôtel du Louvre is just a special place, so highly recommended if you are going to Paris.